Morning guys, Jamie here with Airborne Solutions. We're on the road this morning heading out to a forestry job just an hour south of Hawke's Bay. And we're going to take you guys along, show you a bit of 3D route flying, which I think will be quite exciting, and it's going to be quite an awesome scenic block today. So join us on today as we go spray 10 hectares of forestry. Righto guys, we're out on site. What a beautiful picturesque site we've got today on our forestry block. Got the P100 Pro out today, and we're going to be doing a bit of release spraying for forestry. So what this is, as you can see if you look all around us, Max, we've got all pine trees planted, and so this chemical here will actually kill everything but the pine tree. So today we're going to load it up. So I've got the map here. We've actually surveyed this. You can see that there's a clear 2D picture around it, and this actually has a 3D map underlay as well. So our settings today, we'll bring back the speed just a fracky, so we'll start off at about 7.5 meters a second. We'll start at 5.5 meters off the ground. Bring our rate up to 60 liters a hectare. Drop it a little bit coarse today. We'll go to 350. $230 for now. Turn on both nozzles on the lane change. 5.5 meters is what we want today. Perfect. Boundary meter, we're going to bring that up just a smidge. We'll go to 4, maybe 4.5 meters today. It is just all forestry around it. Altitude and speed, we're going to do the same. Might actually just bump that up to 8 meters, and then what we'll do is we will make it a safety zone mode, like so. So the drone will just navigate wherever it leaves. It will climb up to that 8 meters that I've set, and then it will return to home. Train following we want all on. Obstacle avoidance on. Then the key one here, we're going to go 3D route operation. Confirm that. It's going to load it. And there we go, we've got the green tick. We're good to go. Alright, let's rip into it. First load of the day, guys. Drone's cranking into it, no problems whatsoever. Today we're using best of both worlds, really. We've got the XAG spray machine on the job, and we're using a map that a little Mavic created. It's actually, they're working intertwined pretty well. First couple of loads, we're just warming the batteries up a little bit, so I've only got 40 litres in it at the moment. Plus a little bit steep hilly block, so just make it nice on the batteries, use them up a bit less. But as soon as we get those batteries warmed up, just up to 50, 60 loads. But always just monitor it, eh? With these 3D maps, you just have the confidence now to just watch the drone, see what it's doing. And you can see clearly that it's just climbing up above everything and it's navigating the terrain quite well. It just knows what's ahead of it. Makes for a nice, quiet, easy day. Halfway through the job, cracking along just nicely. All done with the forestry, guys. We've just done 10 hectares, 10.5 hectares or so. Just landed off the last load, just got to wash out now. And then a couple of small jobs to do today, but that's it from us. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check us out, Instagram, go to our website, or ring us 06 870 4030. See you on the next one.